Hello YouTubers, this is PevCentuNation here, and this is my server. So, I was working on the server for a couple of months back, but I stopped working on it due to a few reasons. But I'm back now, so this is done, and it's a faction server. I really like it. It's got a lot of cool plugins and stuff like that, and it's gonna be run off of a server with dedicated with 14 gigabytes of RAM, so it's going to be pretty fast, no lag and all that. And it's really cool. I got a lot of cool plugins such as Infected and stuff like that, and the IP and the website, everything's going to be in the description. But just to show you, this is the website right here, and if you want all the information on how to join, it's on the right hand corner. So yeah, I got all my stuff here and stuff like that. I don't know. So a lot of my friends are gonna be playing here, and if you'd like to meet me, I'm gonna be on for a long time. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys here. So thanks for watching.